Hello and welcome to your next car and the walk around video for the 435D M Sport Gran Coupe in carbon Schwartz metallic. So alongside that really nice exterior colour, we've also added a full Your Next Car M Performance body styling kit, and included in that is a set of brand new 20-inch M Performance style alloy wheels that all come around with brand new tyres. At the front of the car, as well as you'll notice in it, is a 2015 65 reg. You can see there the very eye-catching Angel Eye and Xenon headlamps. Down the side of the car, you'll see the BMW gloss black air breathers. We've added the satin side vinyls to the vehicle, along with the YNC Mperformance decals, all of which the additions we've made work really nicely with the carbon black to give it its shortened name. The interior once again works nicely with the exterior colour. We've got the black Dakota leather within this car, which comes with both the heated electric movement and memory for driver's side. Of course, being that we are showing you around a 435D, it comes with the 8-speed sports automatic gearbox and that sophisticated X-Drive 4-wheel drive system. Isofix 3-seat rear bench, central folding armrest, and the darkened M Sport headlining, once again all in great condition. Before heading round to the very rear of the car, you can see there again how well these alloys work with the carbon black and the overall look of the 4 Series Gran Coupe. At the back of the vehicle, we've opted to go for a high gloss rear diffuser and a satin rear boot spoiler. Opening up that tailgate, you'll be able to see just how large the boot capacity is for the Gran Coupe. Once again, you do of course have the option for split folding seats and removable bottom and top partial shelves. Around at the driver's side, you'll be able to see once again the carbon black works very nicely with all of the additions made here at Your Next Car, and we shall shortly go through and show you around some of the interior features in a bit more detail, starting with the professional wide navigation and media screen. Now we're sat comfortably inside the car, first thing to do is of course start the vehicle up and run yourselves through a couple of the features. Starting with the sat nav, we've also got Bluetooth telephone and audio, DAB radio, along with a wide array of multimedia inputs as well, including music collection. External devices is for USB, we've already spoken about Bluetooth and AUX inputs. Heading back to the main menu in just 1 second, I'll show you through the service requirements and service history. Down here you'll see this vehicle does of course come with dual climate controls, switches for these lovely heated seats. It's covered just over 32,000 miles, so again a really nice low mileage example. I did of course mention the 8-speed sports automatic gearbox, cruise control, speed limiter, voice and volume controls. Going down into the vehicle information screen, as well as all of the fantastic other screens that you can opt for. You can even have sports displays, which of course will show you just how much power and torque you are demanding from this fantastic twin turbo engine. Across into the service screen, everything in green. Next service is not due for 14,000 miles, and we've got comprehensive full BMW service history as well. It was very recently serviced at BMW, or its last visit to BMW was at 31956, and that was for a brake fluid and vehicle inspection. So the vehicle has been fully inspected very recently at BMW. So once again, thank you for taking the time to watch this walk around video. Hopefully you've enjoyed it and found it useful. If you do want to get in touch with us here at Your Next Car, please remember in the description you'll find both our contact information along with links to the website. We'll hopefully hear from you soon, but most importantly, we'd like to see yourselves very, very soon. Do of course take care. Thank you very much, and bye-bye.